There are a lot of things we take for granted. For example, we think that the money comes from an ATM.
Everybody knows that water comes from the tap and electricity comes from the socket.
However, water is a little bit more complicated story. The amount of water does not increase. Water just circulates. Only about 3% of the water in the world is potable. We at SansOx want to take care of this bit.
The goal for SansOx is to provide water treatment solutions so everybody in the world have access for clean and good quality of water. Our main product is OxTube. It's a pipe-like device that can dissolve any gas, physically and chemically possible, into the water. It is the most efficient way to dissolve the gases into the water. It does this, the dissolvement, in seconds or a fraction of seconds, when other technologies take a lot longer. It can be installed to the pipeline, either horizontally or vertically, depending on what is the room where it can function.
Compared to other ways of aerating, OxTube works as a thunderstorm. And it's fast. It works in seconds. Using OxTube is really easy. You just replace a part of existing pipeline with OxTube and run water through your pipeline. You don't need an extra building for OxTube. OxTube takes air in through an air inlet in its body and creates a whirl of air and water. Here you can see a smaller version of OxTube. Both sizes dissolve air into water very effectively. There is an air inlet in the body of the device. When it's covered, there are no bubbles. When it's open, there are bubbles. However, bubbles are a byproduct. They are surplus air left over after saturation point has been reached. OxTube brings from 5 to 10 times more air into the water than actually can be dissolved. It is very effective. You can use OxTube for potable water, industrial effluents and wastewaters, water and recirculation aquaculture systems, and nature conservation. OxTube is an amazingly easy and versatile solution. You are more than welcome to help us define new applications. Can you think of a place where you could use easy, effective and fast aeration system? OxTube is ready to help you. Siuntio Waterworks has got 2 Ox Pros in use at Baro's pumping station in Finland. One OxTube precipitates iron that is dissolved into the water. Precipitated iron is easy to remove using traditional methods. Another OxTube is combined to gas Remix, another innovation of ours. You can see gas Remix in the upper left corner on the video. The pair removes carbon dioxide from water and raises pH to the needed level. There are other applications for OxTube as well. Aeration with OxTube precipitates dissolved manganese too. With OxTube, you can aerate and add chemicals at the same time. The more dissolved oxygen you have in your water, the faster the chemicals work. OxTube is your choice if you want to take a huge leap towards reaching the highest standards of water quality. Would you like to know more about OxTube, which is by far the best solution in the field of water treatment? We are happy to tell you more. Finspring is the largest spring water manufacturer in Finland. Finspring has chosen OxTube as a part of its huge effluent treatment process. Oxtube mixes effluent from different sources into a homogeneous solution and raises the level of dissolved oxygen close to the maximum in a few seconds. The dissolved oxygen improves the efficiency of further treatment process and helps to reduce the amount of COD in effluent. Oxtube requires no more additional energy apart from a separate pump, and at times it even works with a natural suction. Oxtube attacks COD2 and reduces COD levels immediately, and it precipitates iron and manganese in seconds. Our team has received many international awards for its work. We want to share amazing Oxtube with you. Are you ready to simplify your world? We are ready to help you. By 2030, the world should produce 3 times more fish for food. Natural waters are not an option in most places for many reasons, but indoor fish farming would solve the problem. Karelian Caviar is a sturgeon farm that produces luxurious caviar in Finland. They use RAS to control the quality of their waters. Oxtube guarantees that the level of dissolved oxygen in their water is close to the maximum to guarantee the fish steady growth and excellent health. Do you want to guarantee your fish the maximum level of dissolved oxygen in water? We are happy to tell you more. Water is a relaxing element that attracts us all. Unfortunately, ponds and lakes are often dirty and in a poor condition. Wouldn't it be great to give natural waters a new life? Clariox, our Oxtube-based solution, can perform this miracle. Oxtube exploits the level of dissolved oxygen to maximum in seconds, and Clariox transfers the treated water back to a lake or a pond. This improves the overall water quality very fast and reliably. Clariox solutions have led to excellent results and high dissolved oxygen levels, for example in Finland and in Dubai. Clariox clears and cleans the water at the same time. Would you want to enjoy cleaner water in the ponds and lakes of your region? Just ask. We are here to help you. We at SansOx want to guarantee our children and grandchildren clean and pure water. That's why we work hard to develop game-changing water treatment technologies. And that is why we launched Oxtube, an amazing do-it-all solution for water treatment field.
You have now heard where Oxtube, smaller or the bigger one, is being used. Do you think aeration or oxidation or dissolvent of any gas into the water could make your process better? Please check our website and let's discuss more.